Let's get floored, the ultimate guide to flooring types, with a realtor's twist. Hey there, future homeowner, renovation rock star, or design dreamer. Whether you're tiptoeing into homeownership or stomping around looking for a flooring upgrade, one thing is certain. What's under your feet matters, big time. It's the stage for your life, the base for your babies, fur or otherwise, to crawl across, and the surface you'll swear at when you drop something heavy on it. As a full-time Space Coast Realtor with a flair for fabulous floors and a knack for finding dream homes, I'm here to walk you through, pun totally intended, the different types of floor coverings, how they're installed, and the real-life pros and cons of each. Ready to kick off your shoes and dive in? Let's go! 1. Hardwood flooring. The classic beauty pros, timeless elegance, and high resale value can be refinished multiple times, durable when properly maintained. Cons: expensive up front, susceptible to scratches and moisture damage, can be loud without rugs. Echo. Installation: hardwood is nailed or stapled down over a wooden subfloor. It requires precise measurement and cutting, so unless you're Bob the Builder, leave this one to the pros. Margaret's Realtor. Tip hardwood floors are a big win when it comes to resale. I've seen buyers literally light up when they see gleaming wood floors. If hardwood is on your dream list, let's find a home that already has it done to perfection. HTTs are margaretsellsdreamhomes.com virtual walkthroughs here. 2. Laminate flooring, the stylish pretend pros. Affordable and looks like wood without the cost. Scratch resistant and great for pets and kids. Easy to clean. Cons: doesn't handle moisture. Well, can't be refinished. Once it's worn, it's done, can sound hollow underfoot. Installation: laminate is the click and lock champion. It floats over a foam underlayment with no nails, glue, or mess. Perfect for DIYers with a little patience and a good knee pad. Margaret's Realtor Wisdom Laminate is great for starter homes or rental properties. It gives the wow look without the ouch price. I can help you find a move-in ready home with gorgeous pet-friendly laminate already in place. 3. Tile flooring. Cool, clean, and classic pros, super durable and moisture resistant. Hello, Florida. Tons of styles. Ceramic, porcelain, stone keeps floors cool in hot climates. Cons: cold underfoot, unless you love socks. Hard on joints if you stand for long periods. Grout maintenance, equal sign not fun. Installation: tile is laid with mortar and then grouted. It's a labor of love and levels, so hiring a professional is usually your best bet, unless you're looking to learn patience in a whole new way. Realtor Truth Bomb tile floors are ideal for Florida living. They laugh in the face of humidity and spills. I know all the listings with those dreamy tile floors that are perfect for sandy feet and muddy paws. 4. Luxury vinyl plank, LVP. The unsung hero pros. Waterproof and budget-friendly mimics. Wood or stone, like a total chameleon, softer and warmer than tile. Cons: lower-end options can look fake, can dent under heavy furniture. Requires smooth subfloor for best installation. LVP is usually a floating floor that clicks together. No nails, no glue, no problem. Some versions are peel and stick, and some require adhesive. Margaret's favorite LVP is the rock star of today's flooring world. It's the first thing my clients ask for, and it delivers the look and durability they want. Need a home with updated LVP flooring throughout? I know just the place. Call me! 5. Carpet, the cozy contender pros. Soft, quiet, and cozy underfoot. Affordable and quick to install, great for bedrooms and play areas. Cons: stains, allergens, and pet hair. Oh my. Needs regular cleaning and replacement every 7-10 years. Not ideal for humid climates or high traffic areas. Installation: carpet is stretched and tacked down over padding. Quick install but very tricky to DIY well. Margaret's carpet takes: some buyers love it, some rip it out before the ink dries. If you're team carpet or want to replace it with something tougher, I've got the listings and the flooring folks to make it happen. 6. Concrete. The industrial chic statement pros. Modern, edgy, and virtually indestructible. Easy to clean and maintain, can be stained, polished, or stamped for style. Cons: cold and hard. Drop a dish. It's toast. Needs sealing and can crack over time. Not everyone's style. Installation: concrete can be poured or already in place, as in many Florida homes. It's often finished with polish, stains, or overlays to create your preferred look. Margaret's modern tip: If you love the industrial or minimalist vibe, let's go tour some homes with sleek concrete floors that are equal parts function and flair. 7. Bamboo and cork. The Eco Warriors Bamboo Pros. Sustainable and strong, stylish and natural looking bamboo. Cons. Sensitive to moisture. Yes, Florida, I'm talking to you. Cork Pros. Soft and quiet, naturally antimicrobial. Cork Cons. Dense easily and fades in sunlight installation. Both are typically floating floors or glued down. Careful moisture prep is needed, especially in our humid Space Coast climate. Margaret's Eco-Pick Love Green Living? Let's find you a home that not only has eco-friendly flooring, but also other sustainable perks. You'd be surprised what's out there in Brevard County. So what's the right floor for you? Honestly, the right floor is the one that suits your lifestyle, your taste, and your budget. Whether you're dreaming of barefoot beach mornings on cool tile, or chasing your pups across scratch-proof vinyl, I'm here to help you find a house where your feet and heart feel at home. Ready to start your floor and house search? HATPS, MargaretSellsDreamHomes.com. Want to walk through from your couch? Watch here! Call or text me at 321-480-7662, and let's find you a home that's already floored you before you even step inside. Until then, keep your feet happy and your home dreams alive. And remember, if your current floor's got you down, your dream home might just be one call away.